Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. It's important to know that this broadcast is strictly for educational and demonstration purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor, nor am I offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, which are significant, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, everyone. Good morning. Hope you had a nice evening. It is Wednesday, hump day, November 12th. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. Ever had one? Not fun. Very news-driven market. Being in a trade during a red folder report is not a wise decision. So today, Wednesday, November 12th, I see a bunch of yellow. Low impact. In the U.S., FOMC member Williams, Paulson, Waller, they've all got something to say today. Low impact reports, hopefully they don't they don't say the wrong thing. There's old David Wise. Good morning, David. Let me just close out a couple of things I don't need open. Okay. Other than that, I really don't see anything else during this session that would cause us any type of issues. Good morning, Sonia, Ken, Rao. Good to see you. Got a good feeling about today. Good feeling. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. There's old Ray. Good morning, sir. If today's your first day, we're showcasing our automated bots here at Right Line. We have the AI Auto Trader and the iBots that we're running. And these are fully automated strategies. Once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades on your behalf. Our methodology, what we do is each one of these bots come out of the box with their own separate SIM account. These are all SIM accounts that you see here. Okay? And the purpose for having a separate SIM account for each bot is we can see a historical trade performance. In a month or 2 months down the road, we could filter each account individually and see how profitable or how unprofitable it's been. And it helps us to determine which bots we want to use on our trade copier sold separately. The trade copier seamlessly allows us to use one of these SIM accounts as our leader account and copy it to our live account, prop account, any type of account you want to copy it to. Quick and easy, no muss, no fuss. It prevents us from having to go inside the strategy itself and editing the account from the SIM account that it's currently into the live account. But that is also another way you could trade your live account using these bots. We let the bots run through the Asian Open, the London Open, and now we're getting ready for the New York Stock Exchange to open. And we have what we call our leaderboard. Our leaderboard. These are the bots that are the most profitable in this current trading session. In this current environment, these are the ones doing the best. So when determining which one to copy to your live account, it only makes sense to copy the ones doing the best, right? We have bots that are doing poorly on the bottom. These wouldn't be my first choice right now. I'd be more looking at these. Very common question. How do you determine which one to use? All of our decisions are data driven, including which bot to trade. Good morning, Rao. Rao's already up 590. Good morning, Carol. And let's take a quick look. Today is Wednesday. If we go to our trade performance for this week, let's do a very short look back from November 10th to the 12th. And what we can do, this is my trade performance from the 10th to the 12th. And I put it on trades. And now I'm going to right click and export all of this trade performance, all of this data. And we're going to call it November 10th to the 12th. Save it to my downloads. And now I can put it in my ChatGPT. Let's upload this file and ask it to process these trades. Let's see what's hot this week. AI top 5. Moneymaker. Moneymaker's been in a few monster trades this week. The ES30 range, the Moneymaker bot and drone. The ES30 range star drone on my computer is up 2265. The retirement plan, 1423. The Mack truck drone, 1350. So those are my hottest iBots this week. The Moneymaker bot. So with that information, I think what I'll do is I'll change this to my Moneymaker bot. So my Moneymaker bot, my ES30 star drone, my retirement plan. The retirement plan has been hot. And the AINQ 20 Unorenco Mack truck. The Mack truck I have over here. So I have my top bots, my favorite bots to trade, all on tabs on my copier. And I like to watch the market open, let it settle down for a couple of minutes, and before enabling my copier. So let's see how it goes today. Rouse Gold Scalpers up 590. Let's see what the market did prior to us opening this morning. Here's midnight. Asian Open took a big leg up. Came into the London session and it retraced back down. Pre-market here. Another leg up. I could see why the signal A's did well. With a green 50. So yesterday's session closed right here. So we've taken a big leg up since our session close price. 430, right about here. That's on the NASDAQ. And if we look at the E-mini on the 30 range, took a little bit of a leg up. Not as pronounced as the NASDAQ, but it is bullish nonetheless. We're right at the VWAP on the E-mini. Our 15 is above our 50. Our 50 is green sloping up. So we're mainly looking for long trades in that situation. We do have a signal A entry that takes reversals. All right, good luck, everybody. Good morning, Gerald. Thanks for joining us. My top iBots, if you're wondering, are the NQ16U, the NQ24U, the NQ30 the NQ 1 minute, and the 16U. The 16U and 24U, 16U's up 4,200. 24U's up 3679. Having big weeks. The 32nd data series, 2285. The 1 minute bot, one of the strongest iBots I have is that 1 minute. If you joined us for, and the 1 day passes, the 2 minute, wow. I tell you, after seeing this, it makes me want to add the 2 minute. A retirement plan. Well, I've already got 2 strategies on the NQ. Good morning, Suzanne. All right, good luck, everyone. 9:29. The market's going to open here in just a moment. There we go. Here's a retracement from the move up overnight. We're going to fill in that gap. Big move down. Let's put on the MNQ power play. It's already in. I see my 20U. My higher time frame is in agreement with the 30 range. We're leapfrog. This is the leapfrog trade management in action. The MNQ is already up 876. Wow. Holy moly. Wow. Another one. You can see how the trade is managed. Now it's break even plus or minus. It goes to my profit window, and now it starts leapfrogging. Huge volume at the open. Let's get this next one. Let's break this area of support. Are we too far overbought? Oversold? All right, we're in it short. We're pretty far oversold. You can see my 20U is way, way off my 50. I probably should have waited for a retracement. Lost 120 on the trade. I think we're too far oversold. My 20U is way off the 50. Gonna have to wait for a retracement. My ES30 range is in. Jump back in short. There it goes, another leg down. Oh no, I meant to take this one. Oh. Let's see if I can stop it out. I meant to get in. There we go. Looking for another move down. You getting an echo, Ken? There we go. We need a retracement. Jumped in short again on a signal C. Need a big retracement to the 50. I think we're a little bit oversold. Here it comes down again. Gold is taking off. Look at this. Come back and wick me out. Watch the break of support here. Nope. Gold is in a beautiful trade long on 1 micro. Come on, let's get the break of support. Look at the MES 30 star drone. Had a big day yesterday. We're stuck right between the 50 and support. This might be where it's forming a bottom. It's the break of support. Nope. See if we break down through this pivot. It appeared we broke it, but evidently not. All right, we're back in short. Come on down. All right, all the risk is off. Now we just need a little follow through, getting our window. Getting the window a little further. Just missed our window there. Come on down. Get in the window. There we go. Now we got a leapfrog. Need a little wiggle room. Didn't get it. Big sell-off. Power play. The MNQ power play is racking it in. Wow. Up $970 on the micros. The ES30 moneymaker bot is already in a trade. Need a break of this support again. We're pretty far oversold. It keeps creeping down though. Ooh, the Steven, MNQ Steven. Let's take a look. MNQ Steven. Crushing it on the 8 Unirenko. Of 544. Might have hit my profit limit. Nope. Steven can be a really fun bot when it's hitting on all cylinders. When it's found the ebb and flow of the market, that 8 Unirenko. Okay, we got it. That's not the 20. That's not the 20 Unirenko. I said, okay, we got the retracement. Not exactly. You see the difference between an 8 Unirenko and a 20? It's huge. Wonder why this Steven hasn't traded. I'm looking for a break of support here again. Oh, there it goes too. Darn. Ah, man, that went quick. That went quick. Wick it out. Get wicked out. I want to get in this move down. There it goes. Oh my goodness. We got a lot of lag here. We got 4 seconds of lag, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. We had a big burst of volume. Okay, now we're back in. Let's see if they continue to press the price down. Wow, my 8 Unorenko folded like an accordion. Ah, that ES30. I missed it. Yeah, that sure was. All right, let's get this break. Let's get this break. Signal C. Get in. Ah, man. Boy, they're really selling off the Nasdaq here. I'm assuming the E-mini's the same way. Ah, I missed that E-mini trade. Look at that. See if we can get a leg down. The ES Star drone. Wow, look at that thing. Come on down. Push down. Stop this out. Here's a bit of a retracement. If that 20U comes up, we'll look for the Mack truck. Oh, look how oversold the 20 Unorenko is. Wow. Mm. Come on down. That's not in my... Oh, okay. Let's wait for a bit of a retracement here. Speaking of lag, did you get my phone number on Monday? It's behaving properly? No, Ray, will you send it to me at support@rightlinetrading.com? Send it to my email, support@rightlinetrading.com. All right, let's get a retracement. Come on back. Oh, the E-mini's continuing down. Look it out. Let's give this thing a little room. Push through. Come on. Need some follow through now. It's going to wake me out again. Come on down. Break down. Come on. Break through. Breakthrough. Come on. Let's go. Come on, one more leg down. Break through. Get through there. Oh, trying. Come on, pop through. Mm, darn. Push it through. Got me. All right, I'm going to stop right there. Down 483, 485 across the three accounts. So that's my loss limit. I got to stop it right there. Sure had my chances early with that huge move down right at the open. Just wasn't to be. That's trading. Here's the ones that did do well. The MNQ Steven hasn't traded, surprisingly. Let me reset that one. Let's see if we can get that one trading again. It might have reached its... Oh, let's see. Disable. Let's see what the trading hours are. To 11. Okay. This is a Mack truck trade. If this continues up, this Mack truck is going to jump in. Maybe I take one Mack truck. Oh, my Mack truck is enabled. Yeah, I missed that move down, Carol. I watched it. I said, oh, the market just opened. I got caught, stuck. Here comes the Mack truck entry long on the 20U, right into the 50. Oh, man, the lag. Come on, keep going through. I'll tell you, that M chicken, I didn't let it trade the first few minutes of the market open. But man, it ran up the score between 9:30 and 9:35. Hey, ready, set, freedom. Good morning. Oh, actually, it looks like it's going to be a sniper entry. A signal D, short. Wow, nice. Judy. Yeah, they took off at the market open. I tell you, sometimes it's better to just let these things handle their business and not try to do any guessing. Go have a nice bite to eat. The settings on the gold, the data series, the chart on the chart. The settings for the 2 unit Renko is a 2510. 2510. The tick trend is 2, the open offset is 5, and the tick reversal is 10. Here comes a short roll. Maybe not. Momentum's pinned to the, it was pinned to the downside. The Mack truck got in. Oh no, that's not the Mack truck. Yeah, it is the Mack truck. AIMNQ. Oh, I'm on the NQ. No wonder. How many times have I done that? I'm like, where's the trade? I wonder why the Stevens not trading, because you're on the NASDAQ, not the MNQ. I'm on the wrong instrument. Let's see if we can get a retracement here. This big move down. See if we can get it to come back on up. Now these bots can score whether it goes, the market goes up or down. Makes no difference. As long as it's moving and not chopping. All right, all the risk is off on the Mack truck. Now let's see if we can get it into the leapfrog. Come on up, keep pushing. There you go. Get in the window. There we go. That's what we needed right there. That's what we needed. Okay, nice. Nice. I got that entry. I saw that Mack truck coming. Got it back down to 380. A retracement. Here we go. Oh, Steven woke up. Look at that. My 8 Unarenko on Steven just came to life. I think this one's still got some room to run to the upside. Took a big move down this morning. This 20 Unarenko is a big bar. This is a big move down. Watch the short roll. Let's get a power play short. Oh, man. 9,000 contracts a minute on the micro NASDAQ. No follow through the downside. Come on, let's go. Let's run one down. Mack truck is right back in, short. Power play got caught sleeping. Oh, now it jumped in. Late. Come on down. Come on down. Ah, darn. Come on, roll down. A little further. Come on. Okay, the wrist came off. Now I got to get my window. Come on down. One more leg down. Come on, push down. Darn. Man, this thing won't go for me. For the love of God. Oh, man, Steven just took off on the most beautiful entry short. Look at that. It's got a lot of resistance, a lot of support to break through, though. There goes that 8 Unarenko. We got a 20U, a 30 range, and an 8 Unarenko. Look at gold on 1 micro. $100 trade on 1 micro. That ES trade from the morning is still in. It shorted the market at 935. Hopefully Gavin's got this entry. Gavin trades this ES30. It took a C short though, and I think we might have put that filter on Gavin. See, we got the Mack truck. Coming up right behind me is professional options trader David Wise, and he's going to be trading the SPY Super System. The temperature changed down here. I wouldn't call it cold, but it's nice now. It's like in the 70, maybe high 60, 70. Every time it looks like it's going to melt away and take a big move down, it just bounces. Now it comes through. Look at that. I had some bots that did extremely well today. The Smart Velocity, which has a 100 tick stop, gives it a little more room to work with. On the NASDAQ is up 1,700. The ES30 Star got a full winner earlier, and now it's in another monster trade. It's still maturing to the downside here. The Bronx is beautiful this time of year. Well, I know about that New York weather. Woo. I went to Syracuse. I thought I was going to New York City. Boy, was I mistaken. It's the frozen tundra up in Buffalo, Syracuse area. Watch this break of support. Man, if it finally gets through here. The frozen tundra. Ooh, here comes a short on gold. This is setting up nicely for a short on gold. Where is that signal B entry? Reversed. I was going to do a training today on the triggers. I'm going to postpone that till tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do the triggers. We'll do the training class, the onboarding class tomorrow. I had a bunch of new members come on, and I need to help do some installations. Got about 9 people on my calendar today, so let's postpone the training for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do the triggers A, B, C, and D. We'll do it at 12 noon. In fact, I'm going to clear my calendar right now. Let's see why this gold isn't trading. $8 a.m. to 8 a.m. It's got plenty of this. Signal B. Man, that thing should have taken off. Oh, it's risking 40 ticks. So it's risking $40 on 1 micro. Thank you, Raymond. Appreciate that. That is my job security. That like button. That ES30 is back, man. That thing keeps coming. Keeps coming for that profit target. It's breaking through the 50. It's like a magnet on the NASDAQ. It's going to pull the NASDAQ right down with it. Let's see this entry here. Here it comes. Wow, look at that. We got the 15 crossing the 50 here. Just about. Tony, the MNQ templates that I'm trading are in the Discord and the strategy collaboration channel. That MNQ crushed it today on the power play. I'm kicking myself, believe me. I watched that opening move and I got stuck. I thought, oh, it's too early. The opening bell just rang. What I'm referring to. Let me shut all this off. Let me make sure it's all off. Yeah. So you can see how I did today. I'm down about 365 to 370. Which is a shame because I had my chances. But this morning at 9:30, we had this tremendous move down, and it happened so quick. By 9:32, we were already down here. And then I was contemplating whether or not it was oversold. And I kept anticipating it to bounce back. Never did. I love the quote, Tony. Thank you. Mark Twain. I used to love J.D. Salinger. Wrote some good stories. All right. I think that's where I'm going to leave it off today. So let's just go over the leaderboard real quick. Please, on your way out the door, if you would like my video. It does give us traction, but more important, oh, look at that. The Mack truck just took off. I'm telling you, I think this thing might be a monster trade. It's only a matter of time before this thing bounces back some. This could be the one. I got caught sleeping again. In the back of my mind, I was thinking, that Mack truck, when it comes up through that 50, get into it long. I got into this one, but it rolled on us. But the smart velocity The one that has the liberal stop, 100 tick stop, did extremely well. The Star Drone crushed it. I bought 16U. That was on our Chat GPT. Remember, the Haymaker on that Signal A, the Smart Velocity, the Power Play on the Micro Nasdaq, $800. Steven, 700. Moneymaker, ES30 range Moneymaker was on my Chat GPT this morning. The Leapfrog MESPA account template. 20U Mac truck. The NASDAQ 1 minute. That's one of my hottest bots on the iBot system. The MES30 range Star Drone. So there were plenty of opportunities. This is the last trade of the day. Does this Mac truck make a huge retracement here? Or does it flop over like a dead fish? Excuse me. Thank you, Raymond. You too. It looks like it's going to flop over like a dead fish. Another roll down. Okay, Gerald. 225. Not too shabby. Sorry to hear you blew one. Man, other than that, we had, that one opportunity. After that, things got tough. It happened so fast on us. The caffeine in my coffee hadn't even kicked in yet. I was in 2 or 3 short entries that I thought was going to score a home run. I really did, and it just stopped in its tracks. Make sure everything is disabled. Very common error is to, if you have tabs on your copier, is to leave one of them enabled. Mine are all disabled. So we took about a $375 drawdown today. Nothing that's insurmountable. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. Please, on the way out the door, please don't forget, if you'd like my video, the Mac truck, it was a good thing we didn't follow it. See if this thing breaks support. Here it goes. Here comes the leapfrog. Okay, everyone. Have a great day. Please, 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 if you would, like my video on your way out. And we'll be back tomorrow, God willing. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. So long.